Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to install 3ds Max plugins. All right, so first up, if you have the software opened, I'll just go and close it for now. Okay, and once that's done, open up your favorite browser. I thought once you're in here, just go ahead and type down i2soft.com/free plugins. Okay, again, i2soft.com/free plugins. Hit on enter. I thought once you're in here, go ahead and scroll down a bit and you'll be able to see free plugins. Okay, and if you want to as well, you go ahead over to the 3ds Max plugins. And you could open up the Autodesk website and some other websites right here that offers 3ds Max plugins. Okay, so I'm just going to use this one. For this example, let's say I'm going to go ahead and download Clone Modifier. So click on download right here and wait for this new page to load. So all you got to do is just sign in or create an account. And then after that, it will give you an email. Okay, that looks like this. And then what you're going to do is just basically click on proceed to download. And then a download page will pop up. Save it wherever you want. Just like so. And here we have it. Now let's go ahead and close the browser. Here we have the RAR file. You can now go ahead and right click on it and extract here. Okay. Let's double click on it. And here we have the versions. So as we're recording, it's 2026. So let's go ahead and open up 2026 folder. Double click. And here we have the DLM file. So just click on it, right click and cut or copy if you want to save it on another place. Okay, let's just go ahead and copy it. Now go ahead and find the 3ds Max directory. Click on local disk C or the OS drive, program files, Autodesk, 3ds Max, and find the plugins folder, which is right here, plugins. So double click on it and then right click on a blank space and then just click on paste. Hit on continue right here. Wait for the process to finish. And once that's done, you can now go ahead and open up 3ds Max. Wait for it to load. So once you're in here, just go ahead over to the top, click on customize. Now click on customize user interface. Just like so. Now let's go ahead and find clone if it's available, which actually is right here. Okay, clone and align to. Now let's just go ahead and draw something in here, maybe a box, just like so. And when you go ahead over to modifiers right here and click on the drop down, clone should be now available. And there are some plugins that doesn't require moving files to folders. Okay, they will just look like installers. All you got to do is just double click on it, it will automatically install. That is how you install 3ds Max plugins. All right. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.